Hi everyone, my name is Catherine Garzon. I've been studying at the ANI University for 2 years, and we've been making a deep research about the country Philippines, which is one of the countries that I consider is really good to invest. It's one of the best countries to invest around the world. I already make a deep research about the political, economic, social, and environment issues and aspects in this country, and now what I want to talk about today is a service that I consider it's a good product to make a new business in this country. So first, I'll talk about the service to sport, and inside this topic, we'll talk about the reasons cities to start and finance. Secondly, the free trade agreements and trade barriers. And finally, we'll talk about how globalization can affect or benefit this new business idea. So please, if you have any questions, I'll be happy to answer them, but we'll do it at the end of the presentation. Okay, so I want to start with this phrase from Franklin Roosevelt. He said that the only limit to our realization of tomorrow will be our thoughts of today. This new business is challenging because we don't know how it's gonna work. That's why we need to make these deep researches about all these kind of aspects. We can take advice from people who are already open businesses in this country, and if we don't try, we will never know how it's gonna work, right? Okay, so what is the service to sport? I thought about a small bakery because they usually have some mid-morning and afternoon snacks, so they can access to this new product in these small bakeries close to those big buildings, companies, or yes. So what are the reasons? The Philippine people really like sweet foods. They like the mixture of coffee with the evaporated milk and the sugar. The Coca-Cola is very popular, and they like the donuts and sweet rolls. The taste of sweetness is the ultimate comfort food for Filipinos. So they like the mix and combination of sweet and savory. The thing that the balance of these products are perfect. So an example of this can be the Manamis Namis Ulam, which is a leaf of banana with fruits, vegetables, and another famous product is the Halo Halo, which means mixture, and is a popular dessert that consists of corn kernels, ice cream, small gelatin pieces, cornflakes, and shaved rice. So all these products consist of sweet fruits, which are very abundant in Philippines: mango, bananas, or the leaves of camote, which is a sweet potato, and there's also another kind of potato which is called youth, that is a blind parrot potato. So the Philippines think that the sweet things really influence in the way that they feel. Why? Because they say that the flavors graffiti their stomach, making them feel instantly better and happy. So cities to start. So first we want to start in Manila, which is it's one of the densest and densely and popular city in Philippines, and the Quezon City. We think that the Manila, which is the capital, is one of the biggest cities, but we wanted to do it in small towns or in a place where not too many, not a lot of competitive places. The finance. So we want to start with these small businesses, and first we want to start producing these new snacks, showing them in big events, and make sure which are the products that the people like the most. Then we want to start selling these products for 2 pesos each snack, and because usually the snacks in these countries cost that. The free trade and agreements. So what are the trade barriers? Okay, so there's sensitive agricultural products including rice, corn, pork, chicken, meat, sugar, and coffee. These are products that are really that have a really strong laws and sanitary and phytosanitary requirements. So we are not really gonna export any kind of product, because we're gonna access to the products that are already in the country. So in this moment, Colombia is not included in any free agreement, but Philippines sees a big room for growth in the markets of Latin America. So the Philippines want to reach out the Pacific Alliance, which is composed of Chile, Colombia, Mexico, and Peru. So I think this is a great start, because maybe in the future we can start exporting Colombian products which are considered really useful in this country. So, well, clearly globalization is gonna affect usually in small businesses, because the competition is really high, and the big companies that are already in the country is gonna be really competitive. But what I think that's why we need to find a way that our product be innovative and make a really big difference, so we can be successful in this new small business. Okay, so the conclusion is that we already know about the small business that we want to open, but as I mentioned before, we need to make a huge research about all the government laws in this country. So this is the time for answer any kind of questions about this presentation. Thank you so much for your time, and I hope that you have enjoyed this presentation and it has been useful for you. Have a great day.